Hello, my name is Daniel Cielo, and I'm the service manager here at Pros Hyundai. I'd like to take a couple moments to talk about the engine air filter. I have two examples of engine air filters. This one right here is a brand new engine air filter out of the box. Here is a used one, about 15,000 miles. As you can tell, there's some dirt particulates that are in there. The reason for us replacing this engine air filter is when you have a clogged engine air filter, you can have issues with engine performance, fuel economy, and even the check engine light can come on. We offer these engine air filters at $18.95, and we always inspect each of your vehicles for the engine air filter with our complimentary electronic multi-point inspection. If you have any questions about our engine air filter, electronic multi-point inspection, or any other services, feel free to call me or any of my support staff at 425-226-1275. Thank you.